Hello. My AEG Lavamat Turbo Washer Dryer L75480WD is not draining at the end of a wash cycle or drying properly during a drying cycle, and the fabric conditioner dispenser drawer is not emptying. There is no error message. Could it be the sensors, and are they worth repairing?
Are you getting any error codes or messages from your AEG washer dryer? How old is it?
It's about 4 years old. And there aren't any error messages.
How long has this been going on with your AEG washer dryer? What have you tried so far?
We have emptied the filter at the front of the machine, but it wasn't blocked. We have rinsed out the tubes at the back of the machine. They were slightly coated with dirt or residue from conditioner/laundry soap, but otherwise nothing wrong.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We have checked that the tubes at the back of the machine weren't crushed or tangled, etc. But they weren't. Any suggestions?
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily.
Thanks.
If you set the washer going on a spin only, do you hear the drain pump running? If not, then if you listen carefully at the filter, do you hear a humming noise? Also, as to the error code, when you set it on a spin cycle and it's going, press and hold the start button and the button next to it and hold for a few seconds, and then the error code will come up.
I'll need to check and get back to you, bear with me.
No worries, that's fine.
The drain pump is working, and if I press and hold the start button and the one next to it, the code coming up is ED8.
Okay, the ED8 error code is a dryer-related error code, but it shouldn't stop the washer from draining. So as the pump is running but it's not draining, then it has to be a blockage in there somewhere. It's either in the sump hose going from the drum to the pump or the waste hose. So first check the waste hose and where it drains to. If it goes under a sink, then remove the spigot it pushes onto and check to rease nothing stuck in there. But if that's all clear, then you need to access the sump hose underneath and remove this and check to see if there is anything stuck in there, as socks like to block up in there. So check that and see what you find, as if it's not draining and the pump is running, then it has to be a blockage in there somewhere.
Okay, I think I didn't describe the problem accurately enough. What happens is that at the moment, it comes to the end of a wash cycle, but doesn't spin or drain properly. So the door opens, and the clothes are still wet, and there is 3 inches of water in the bottom of the drum. But then if I run a separate drain and spin cycle, it does drain and spin, but it cuts the cycle short. So in fact, I've been running the separate drain and spin cycle 2 or 3 times after each wash to achieve the same effect that a couple of weeks ago was happening automatically.
Okay, I'm with you. In this case, then the ED8 error code is affecting the wash side. Try this and see what happens, as these washers can get faults on the dryer heater and it causes strang faults. Remove the top and there you will see the metal heater box. At the back of this is the dryer heater. Disconnect the wiring on there and tape them up out of the way, and then retry the washer and see how it goes on a wash. If it works fine, then the dryer heater is the fault and will need to be replaced to cure this. Check that and see how it goes from there and let me know.
Yep, thank you. That may be tomorrow. It's Friday evening here now. Thank you for the advice so far, and have a good evening.
No worries, that's fine. I'm in the UK as well, so check it out when you can.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.